Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Fluent Bit for Kubernetes log shipping step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Kubernetes cluster is up and running. Access your cluster using a terminal or command line interface. Verify that you have permission to deploy applications on the cluster. Install Fluent Bit by applying the official Helm chart. Run the command to add the Fluent Bit Helm repository. Update your Helm repositories to get the latest version of Fluent Bit. Create a namespace for Fluent Bit if you wish to keep it organized. Install Fluent Bit in the designated namespace using Helm. Customize the values file according to your logging requirements. Set up input configurations to specify which logs to collect. Define output settings to determine where the logs will be sent. Apply any necessary filters to process the logs as needed. Verify the installation by checking the status of the Fluent Bit pods. Use the command to list the pods in the Fluent Bit namespace. Check the logs of the Fluent Bit pod to ensure it is functioning correctly. Confirm that your logs are being shipped to the intended destination. Adjust configurations as necessary based on your observations. Monitor the performance and resource usage of Fluent Bit in your cluster. Make any changes to scalability settings if you anticipate increased log volume. Read the Fluent Bit documentation to explore advanced features and optimizations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.